Hi everyone, in front of me I've got RedMagic 10R and let me share with you how to soft reset or actually force restart this device. So this operation will be extremely useful, especially if for some reason your device stopped working properly and it does not respond to your touches. Let's pretend my device does not respond. So we basically cannot, let's say, manually or normally turn it off or soft reset it just by using the options on which we have to tap. Then maybe not the only way, but I think the effective way is to force restart it just by using the power button, which is located on the right side of your device. And all we have to do is to press the power button long enough until we'll see the black screen and then the developer's logo. In this device, it should take approximately 10 seconds. So let me try to do it. Let me press the button and keep pressing. We've got this power off option and restart option, but let's pretend that we cannot tap on it because the screen is not responding. So we keep pressing the power button. As you can see, we also have the information there. Keep pressing. As you can see, we've got the developer's logo. I felt also the vibration, which means that we just successfully force restarted our device. And after that, after powering on completely, it should work perfectly fine again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.